So guys, back again. As you can see, nature trail, family, nature trail, nature trail, nature trail. So basically, we walked all the way down. As you can see, I'm out of breath. And there's a bunch of stuff everywhere. Nature. They drive me out of my room. Those monsters. Huh. So yeah, I'm out of breath. Don't know where I'm going. And out of breath. Oh. Anyway. Trees, 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 ground, 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 bench. What? Debbie rocks. No, I'm sitting on the bench. On the bench. Now, we went this way. Because we went the lower down. We went down here. Oh no. Ducking range. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. More ground. Great. Ground. What? I'm just walking down the trail. There's nothing here but trail, dirt, plastic, and more as leaves, trees, flies. If you guys are here, you should see all these flies. All these flies. Bugs. Nature, real nature, not video games. I should be playing Minecraft, Fortnite, PUBG. The berries. The very weird berries. Oh gosh. Nature. Everywhere. Oh. The very big tree. Found a weird nut. Don't know what this is. I found a weird kind of nut.
Let me see.
It has a weird texture to it.
What?
It's a weird kind of thingy.
It's like an acorn. Similar. Kind of thing.
Oh man. Oh. Get ahead of the group. Dodge trees and plants. Oh. 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 Look at all this stuff. All of it. Not one. Not two. I don't know what that is. Mommy! 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 There's a deer up ahead! There's a big deer up ahead!
No. No.
So yeah, we found a deer over there, and it was big. I'm talking about big mama deer, and that meant greater possibilities of there being bigger. We don't. Nice animals. Cause mommy, all I seen was this big, like dark skinned thing walk by, and then it saw me looking at it. Then it just sat there.
Yeah, like usually it's gonna stop.
Which way did we go?
This
This way?
way.
We never. We go. You look for something.
It was awesome.
Follow the trail.
It was
It's all dark.
the best thing I ever saw. Sorry that I stopped, but that deer was humongous. I mean, no baby deer. I'm talking about big mama deer. I mean, it's bigger than I expected. Yes. Huh? I feel like we're getting close to it. But that was the biggest thing I've seen yet. So, whoa, look at that. See that? You guys had to have seen that. There's the TV. TP. Oh, that's the TP though. Wait.
Follow the arrow.
If it's the open side's on this side, then
We came from this way.
yeah. Oh god. This is the best nature trail ever. We found a deer. We found frogs. We found birds. We found weird insects. We found chipmunks. More birds up ahead. Ugh. Ugh. Ugh.
Jane, you just missed there was another teepee. It was at a small little skinny.
I just saw a red cardinal or whatever. It was a red bird that landed right there.
Oh, I see it.
See?
Behind the trees. Look.
Is it still there?
It's red robin, I think. Mom, it's just red robin. You don't see it?
It might have been a cardinal.
Yeah. Look over here. Let's see it. Go back there.
Great nature trail, guys. You guys have to be.
We're trying to climb a hill.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave comments below this video.
I think we're at the first bench.
I'll take videos all the way till I get home, which will be
Oh,
like
for some reason, we're at bench number 18.
quite a bunch of hours.
Wait, Jane. Which way did we come from? Bench number 18 was over. Which way did we come from? Straight? Wait, evidence.
We were straight. When I came straight, that's the best way I know. That's the only way I know. We're gonna be careful. Keep going. We're getting to the end of the trail. I don't know how long we'll be going for. Yeah.